Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
And here too. That tickles!
We don't keep dream to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Look out!
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Boxmaker's.
Number 1. You have to call me Princess Lanny at all times.
Okay, Lanny.
Going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out of nowhere.
Come on, Mac, you're in the slow lane. This is Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
Yes, stopping off for a quick...
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
Seriously, that was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
By me!
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, artist.
It's amazing.
What is that?
Wait a minute.
Wanted to come down here and to personally thank you because after Italy, I was finished, and then you gave.
As crop hoppers and
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
Toast, let's. I dedicate my win tomorrow to Miss Sally.
Sorry, I or.
No, you are not winning this.
You're angry.
I am not angry.
What's going on, ladies? All right, now, let's have us a little look.
Just a trainer.
Go ahead and gun it.
I'm chuffing. I'm puffing. I feel quite at my best.
Hey, thanks for coming, but we're all set. He's letting me go.
He's letting you go?
Yeah, your job's pretty easy.
Take my way. That's the highway.
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
Kojira, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Oh, get these things off of me!
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.
It is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
Queen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.